Tired of puffy eyes? Yearning for that fresh, rejuvenated look? There's no need to splurge on expensive products or treatments when you can whip up an effective solution right at home. Today, we'll be exploring the magical combination of cucumber and aloe vera in an eye mask that will banish those under-eye bags in no time. The ingredients are as simple as they come: fresh cucumber slices and some aloe vera gel. Cucumbers, known for their cooling properties, help reduce puffiness, while the aloe vera's soothing effect will make your skin feel pampered and refreshed. So, how do you prepare this eye mask? Begin by applying a generous amount of aloe vera gel to the cucumber slices. Ensure that both sides of the slices are well coated with the gel. Once you've done this, pop the slices into the refrigerator. Cooling the cucumber slices not only enhances the soothing effect, but also helps the aloe vera gel penetrate deeper into your skin. After the slices have been chilled, it's time to sit back and relax. Place the cold cucumber slices on your closed eyes, ensuring they cover the under-eye area completely. Now, all you have to do is wait for 10 to 15 minutes while the eye mask works its magic. Following these steps will lead to a noticeable reduction in puffiness and a fresh, revitalized appearance. But the benefits of this cucumber and aloe vera eye mask don't stop there. The aloe vera gel will also hydrate your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Meanwhile, the cucumber's antioxidants will help fight free radicals, preventing further aging. In summary, this cucumber and aloe vera eye mask not only combats puffiness, but also hydrates your skin and fights signs of aging. The preparation is quick and easy, the ingredients are natural and inexpensive, and the results are sure to impress. So why wait? Give your eyes the refreshing treat they deserve. Remember, the key to a youthful, vibrant look is not always found in a store. Sometimes it's right there in your kitchen. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.